Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This is the first time I'm making a video on ticker symbol METX, but if you're subscribed or a part of my Discord family, you know we have been following this stock for some time. We started our journey at point 0.3, we doubled our position, and still we are doing day trading and swing trading on this particular stock. A very nice one, very exciting stock, and I thought why not share this particular stock with my other members. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about ticker symbol METX. And if you look at the chart, last Friday, it was up by 24% and another 1.3% up in the after hours. So almost more than 25% in just one day. If you look at the last 5-day chart, it was coming down, and again now it is pushing higher. If I look at the last 1 month chart, you can see it was going sideways for so long. We peaked around 0.3. We rode the wave all the way to 0.7. You see 0.7 came down again, a nice trade from here, 0.4 to 0.6, 0.7 again came down. But the good thing is this thing is going higher slowly, and it has some important resistance around 0.7. Last 2 times it couldn't break, and now the price is around 0.63. If we see more volume, and I will show you the volume in this particular video, if we see more volume, this thing will go past 0.7 and 0.91 or even more is coming. So very exciting video. I'm super pumped. So first of all, I'm not a financial advisor, so these are my thoughts only, and this video is made only for entertainment purpose. Just do your own research before you buy or sell any stock, especially if something is a penny stock which is less than $1. So do your own research. Anyway, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe my channel, at the same time join my Patreon community. Why? Only even for METX, like we started around 0.3, that was our buy zone. From 0.3 it was up to 0.7, more than doubling your money. Even for last few days we established our position around 0.45, 0.5 area. Even if you enter at 0.5, you are up by 30%. So if you like this kind of alert, support, resistance for different type of ticker, pre-market, market hours, and even after hours, please join my Patreon, so that you pay only $9 per month, or you become a VIP. You get to my Discord community where we talk about a lot of stocks, so many different things. You get instant notification during market hours and pre-market. Give a try. If no Discord, it is also fine. If you are watching this on YouTube, it's so easy. Just click on the join button and you become a community member, and you will get access to this kind of thing, right? This is PBTS, another one we are swinging. We made from $1 all the way to 1.7, 70% profit. Anyway, for this kind of thing, for member only, you can also join. So anyway, let's talk to METX. I talked a lot about my stuff. So first of all, few things before I talk about the technical. But look what happened, right? At one point the share price was around 9.96, close to $1. Then a big drop. It came all the way from 0.9 to 0.3, and now this thing is going higher. I will talk about support, resistance, and so many things, but before that I just want to show you the daily chart, in case you are more interested to think about this particular stock. So I'm going back to our daily chart and just zooming out. See what happened, right? At one point, at one point it was around 24, came down, moving sideways around 12. Then it is coming down. First of all, I'm not saying do it for long term. I'm just looking for day trading and swing trading. Keep that in mind. So again, it was moving sideways, again came down, again it moved around $2.53 area for some time, came down again, trying to go up at $1, came down all the way to 30 cents. So this is the one day chart. But the exciting thing is, if there is more volume coming, look at the volume here, right? Compared to all the volume for $20, $24, look at the volume for recent few weeks. So we are getting more volume. Last day was huge volume, and this is the most exciting part. If we can break certain resistance, maybe I'll just hide. If we can break certain resistance, this thing has more room to go, and this is why we are targeting this one. So I will come back to the chart. I want to talk about more. But if you do not know, recently they had on October 28th PR that they had a strategic partnership with AGM Group Holdings for blockchain and cryptocurrency mining business. Now cryptocurrency is really hot, and any kind of PR really pump the stock. So anyway, that's a good news. And why it came down, I just previously showed you in the chart. So did a offering for 30 cents per share, and that is why from 0.9 it came all the way to 0.3. It came to 0.3, the offering was closed. Now it is time to go back up. Very, very exciting. And also I'm talking about the volume. Look at the volume. The average volume is 198 million, and last Friday's volume was 306 million. So a lot of volume came. 1.5 times volume came on last Friday. If you look at the volume chart on a daily basis, you can see no volume at all. Then suddenly when the price was around 0.3, the volume started coming back to back, many high bars of volume. So the yellow bars are the volume. Then it came down, and again it is picking up some volume. Very, very exciting on the volume side. I also follow a Twitter where they talk about a big purchase. What I found after market around 6:45 p.m. there was a big order for almost 200,000 share for 127,000. So again, a big order came. Anyway, so still this thing is getting lots of attention on social media, and people are talking more and more, and maybe that is why it is getting more volume now. So someone is thanks to you, because I was looking for a short interest update. So he posted, this is from he or she, whatever, from Ortex. So you can see that the share price went up by 25%, and that is why the shorts, they have covered their position. Before yesterday, the short interest was around 34%. Now 13% is less. Why? Because the price was surging. So more volume and the shorts, they covered, right? That is why the short interest came down. But still the short interest is 21%. They are still sitting there. And currently it shows the borrow to share is 0 and no number. But anyway, this is something. If I go to Fintel, what I see here from the Fintel, it shows only 5.5% of short float. On the dark pool, it shows 51%. In terms of the short share availability, 5 million shares are still available. The short borrow rate fee is 5.4%. And look at daily shorting activity, 51%, 45%, 37%. So a lot of activity. You can also look at fails to deliver, some big spike. Just going through. Anyway, so yeah, this is what is happening. There is another one you can check. The 5.48% is the borrow fee, and current share availability is different than Fintel. So these numbers can vary. But anyway, let's go back and see the chart, which is the most exciting thing. So first of all, let's go back to a daily chart here. So if I look at the daily chart here, a big massive candle, you see the big volume, a big massive candle. So I'm going up back to 1 hour chart. I'm more interested, right? So we entered at 0.3, made the profit. We entered at 0.45, made profit. And now why I'm so excited. So now it is trying to break the 0.63 area. During the day, you see few week here, 1, 2, 3 times it tried to break 0.63, 0.64 area. It couldn't, came down. But after market, again a big push, and currently we are sitting right at the resistance. We have to break the resistance. In case in pre-market we go up, then this thing will really fly. So this is a very important area, 0.63, 0.64, let's say 0.65. After 0.65, I'm looking at around some other areas, which is roughly around 0.7. It's hard to say, but let's say 0.69 or 0.7, because again, you see, nice run up, rejected at 0.7, came all the way to 0.45. Again, a nice run up to 0.7, but this time it did not came to 0.4. It came around 0.46, 0.5. So one good thing is it made a higher low. Now the next thing is it has to go up. It has to break 0.7. So if it can break 0.65, I think the next resistance will be 0.7. Even for a trade from here to here, it will be a 10% trading. And if there is more volume, it will break 0.7 and it can go higher. Now, when I talk about higher, now I will go back. So before the offering, the price was around 0.9, right? So this is, I see here. So around 0.75, maybe I'll just draw one more line for you. Why it didn't go through over 0.75 last time. See here. So it was a support here, then it became a resistance here, it became a resistance here. So 0.75 was the resistance here, because all the people here, they are dumping, right? So after 0.75, the next floor is around 0.9 to $1. And if you go to social media, people hype a lot, but I'm not building a hype. After 1, you see there is some room for 1.25, 1.5, and 1.7 and more. One thing Also, I'm following Prog in my channel for so long, and why I'm showing you Prog, because this thing also came down to 0.9. Share offering came down 0.9, and from 0.9 this thing went to like 5.5. even at pre-market it went to 6.2, I believe. So almost 6 times more money. And this one also has very high short interest. I'm not comparing Prog with Metx, but I'm just showing you how things can move, right? So goes up and down, up and down. So things are forming. Not comparing again, these are two different stock, but just saying how things can move. Anyway, even for 10%, 20%, 30% move, this is a good one, right? So 0.65, 0.7, 0.75, then I would see something around 0.95 and $1. So very, very exciting. Just wanted to bring these to your attention. And if you like this kind of technical setup, support, resistance, day trading, swing trading, then I would invite you again to join my Patreon so that you can get access to my Discord. It requires only $9 per month, which is roughly 30 cents per day. It's not nothing, right? It's a penny, less than a penny, like a penny stock. So yeah, so just give a try. If you don't like it, you can always cancel. There is no commitment. It's just a 1 month, $9. Give a try. And there is also a VIP package. Over VIP you will get more things, so you can get more access, more VIP treatment. So anyway, give a try. Let's make money together. If you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also join my Discord. The link will be in the first comment and also in the description box below. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.